Shane Eagle uses Twitter to boost his album sales. Taking a direct shot to A-Reece, his tweet, "You can be the best, I'll take being the greatest ever for my continent for now," was a clear response to A-Reece's claim of being the best rapper in Africa. Fans quickly picked up on the tweet, sparking heated debate on who is the greatest between A-Reece and Shane Eagle in Africa. Despite A-Reece's silence, he once acknowledged Shane Eagle's album, Yellow, praising its greatness. Shane Eagle, however, attempted to secure a feature through Twitter, but A-Reece remained unresponsive. These tweets were spaced almost 3 years apart. The question arises, was this a calculated promotional move for Shane Eagle's latest album, Akira, especially considering its lukewarm reception? Fans speculated if Shane Eagle's recent response was a hint for desperation to boost album sales. Building on the previous video about album covers influencing future projects, Shane Eagle's album inspiration comes to light. If you didn't notice, his album rolled out face setbacks, starting with an attention-grabbing move: the initial release of the Akira's album cover. This album cover was a copy of Rudy Rich's album cover, which we believe Shane Eagle did it intentionally to spike conversation just days before the album launch. However, this stunt failed to capture the audience's attention, leaving Shane Eagle's promotional effort largely unnoticed. If Shane Eagle is trying to get a beef with A-Reece just because of some response he had in the past, I think Shane Eagle picked the wrong guy, because obviously, A-Reece is better known for not responding to anyone, so trying to get attention through A-Reece won't work. Please guys, let us know what you think about this. Leave a comment, like, and also share the video.
Build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer, no exposure, I just wanna be